the traffic light, so I'm checking my mirrors, signalling right, and the light has turned red. And I'm going to stop here. So to make a right turn, in front of me there will be 3 lanes. There's a no entry. I cannot go straight ahead. I can only go left and I can go right. The red car, he's making his right turn, which looks left from where we are sitting. The black car on the right hand side, he's making a left turn. Anybody in the middle lane, he'll be coming across our path towards our right, going next to us downhill where we came up from. So the cars that we have to worry about is the middle lane towards the right and the right lane. The red car, he's going left, so he's not going to come in my way. I'm going to move forward up to a patch of, it looks like a patch on the floor if I was to describe it. It's where the virgin media, if they were to make a hole in the ground, I'm just watching that lady on my left, and I'm coming up to here, and I'm coming slowly. I only came at 3 miles an hour. And my mirror is opposite the fence where the pub was on my right hand side, the outside of my mirror. I'm checking the lights as well, moving forward. I'm not going to risk it with that van. And now I'm making the turn, because my filter light is on. When the filter light's on, the cars that were coming up the road, they should be stopping. I'm just being extra careful here because it's getting a little busy. Watching my speed. If you saw my speed, I reduced my speed, and I could see that the van in front was braking. So be extra careful, look ahead, plan ahead.